Hello, fourth graders. This is Mr. A, and we are looking at the sums of fractions. How do we add fractions? So remember, fourth graders, that fractions they belong to a whole. Okay, so here is our whole, and we look at the denominator to tell us how many parts make up a whole. So in this case, we have four parts make up a whole. So we make four parts. Okay? Now, the numerator, that's the top number, tells us how many are available. Okay? So here we have only 3 out of 4. Okay? So the skill is, remember that you are looking at ways to make up 3/4. Okay, so you can make 3/4 by adding 1/4 plus 2/4. Okay, that's one way you can make 3/4, right? We can take 1/4 plus 2/4, one piece plus two. Or you can, if I draw a second, a second way, so let me just copy the same whole and the same partition. Okay, so this is whole one. Let's say whole two. You can do it by 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3, right? That's a second way of making 3/4. Okay, so you are looking at ways to add up the pieces to make up 3/4. Okay, same thing with 8/9. Okay, um, 8/9 represents a whole that is partitioned into 9 parts. So we're gonna draw 9 parts. Okay, so I did my middle one, and then I'm gonna do 4 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I made my nines. Now, how many are available of these nines? Only 8. Only 8 are available. So 1/9, 1/9, 1/9, 1/9, 1/9, 1/9, 1/9, 1/9, 8 times. That gives me 8/9, right? So that's one way I can add up to 8/9. It's just counting by 1, 8 times. Okay? That's one way. A second way could be I can do, like I'm gonna color them all green. Uh, I can do 2/9. Okay, 2/9 plus 6/9, right? I can do 2/9 plus 6/9. Okay, because the size doesn't change when you're adding fractions. It's the quantity, the numerator that adds up to your total amount of available pieces, right? So you can do, so you're thinking about ways to make up 8. So that could be 2 plus 6, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 8 times. You can do even 4/9 plus 4/9, right? It in the end, it will give you 8 ninths. You can even do 1/9 plus 7/9. Okay? So when you're making the sums of fractions, remember that the denominator stays the same because we're talking about the same whole made up of 4 parts or 9 parts. It's just the quantity that is available is what we add to find the total, okay, of available pieces. So 3/4 can be 1 plus 2/4, or it could be 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, and so on. Okay, so I hope this video was a good review for you, and I want to see your work. I want to see models. I want to see you grow and becoming better and better with your abilities to solve fraction problems. Okay, thank you for watching this video.